Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today we're going to be opening up Birchbox. This one is actually 2 Birchboxes in one because they had a special going on. If you use code DOUBLEFUN, I believe it was, then they would send you 2 boxes, and I haven't been signed up for a little while, so I used that code and I got 2 boxes this month. So if you've been wanting to try Birchbox but just didn't know whether you would like it or not, this gives you a chance to try out 2 boxes if that code is still available. So definitely check into that, and I'll leave the link to Birchbox in the down bar so that you guys can check it out if you want to. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what is in here. So all I've done is open up the top of it. I haven't looked at the boxes yet. Okay, so we got one of the boxes out, and this is what it looks like. Ooh. So the first thing I'm seeing is this Chlorine shampoo. This says it's a nourishing shampoo with mango butter, and there's definitely enough in there for me to get at least probably 2 uses, maybe 3. I don't know. Sometimes my hair uses more. It just depends on how good the shampoo is, so we'll see about that. I want to smell it. Oh man, that smells good. It's very tropical. Definitely can smell the mango, so that's awesome. Then we've got a curl cream definer. This one is by Devro. I don't know if that's how you say that or not. Y'all can correct me if I'm wrong though. We have got the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. And mascara is one of my favorite things to get in a sample box, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what the wand looks like. Yay! It's got one of the good wands on it. So that's good. That's really good. There's also a conditioner in here from that same Chlorine brand. That name is so hard to say. We've got a Daily Correct CC cream from Supergoop. I'll probably get quite a few uses out of that too. There's this little rehydrating serum. And then the last thing in here is by Estee Lauder, and it is Advanced Night Repair for Eyes. So honestly, that was quite a bit of stuff in here, and I'm pretty happy with everything. I'm definitely most excited about the mascara, and then would probably be this rehydrating serum because my skin is very dry, so all the hydration, give it to me. Alright, so the first box was pretty cool. Let's see if the second box compares. Okay, so here is the second box, and the lid doesn't even want to stay on, so I don't know what the heck is in here. So here is a $10 off coupon for Birchbox, which that's awesome. There is a little eyelash curler in here, which is pretty cool. I've never gotten an eyelash curler in a sample box before, so that's pretty cool. Then we have another shampoo, and like this is what I'm talking about for a shampoo sample. This thing is gigantic. I wonder what it smells like though. It's not a bad smell. It's a really clean smell. It almost slightly smells like tea tree. Oh my gosh, I think this is the same Smashbox liquid lipstick that I got a while back, and I told you guys I couldn't figure out the name of it, and I'm hoping that this is it. It's called the Always On liquid lipstick, and I think the shade is Driver's Seat. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, that makes me so happy because this looks just like that color. Oh, I believe it is. I'm pretty sure that that is that exact same color that I told you guys I loved so much but didn't know the name of it. This is a scent in here. This one's called Love Vanilla, and it says Pure Vanilla, the healthy fragrance. That is a scent that I could get on board with. I love that. I am definitely a scent girl. Then we've got a hair serum by Menu. This one is a conditioner. Is that who this was by? Okay, so it came with the shampoo, the conditioner, and the hair serum. So that's what that is. This is the CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum by Sunday Riley. And then the last thing in here is this Ultimate Volume Nano by Marcel. I'm assuming that this is a mascara, and y'all know how I feel about mascara, so that is really cool. So all in all, I have to say that these boxes were really awesome. I'm very impressed, and I might stick with Birchbox for a little while longer, because used to Birchbox was like one of my least favorites. I had Birchbox and Ipsy, and then I canceled my Birchbox and got Sephora Play, and I love Sephora Play and Ipsy, and if I had to choose between the two of those, I would probably choose Sephora Play just because I really loved all the products. But then again, it kind of gets you hooked to higher end makeup, and we ain't all got that kind of money to be buying all the high end stuff. So I like that Birchbox and Ipsy kind of gives you some affordable options too. So I'm going to stick with the Birchbox for a little while and see how it keeps doing for me, and we'll just keep doing these monthly and let you guys see what I'm getting to. So that's all for this video, guys. I will catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave if you haven't already, and always be you. Bye, guys.